Here is a crack. Here is a crack in a piece of teak, bottom of a chair base, that needs some repair. And we'll see exactly what we're going to do in just a minute. Here's another one that has a bow tie repair across the crack. Actually, there's two cracks, and it's a big bow tie, or key. Some people call it a key, a butterfly, a bow tie. And it does the job here. Down here is another crack, and I've cut a bow tie. And you can see that this one, I'm popping it out here, is a really tight fit, and there's the cavity for it. It has to be carefully cut. It's cut with various chisels. You can see them right here. A little hammer. Going to use some glue in the hole. This kind of glue is not appropriate. This kind of glue, or a glue that you boil up in a pot, or not boil up at 140 degrees, is correct, because it is kind of oily and it sticks to oily woods like teak and rosewood very well. Thank you. See you later. Bye. I'll put the patch in and then show you. Bye. Here's a dovetail of mine set in, and it's set in with this, after it's glued in place, this chisel, which has a rounded edge, is used to clear it off and make it flat. If you use a chisel that has a flat edge, then when you try to go in here, you cut into it and you make little gouge marks around it. But if you use the rounded one, like I showed you before, you can go ahead and make it very smooth. So that's one that's done. There's a little dowel next to it. You can see that lighter spot, and that dowel is called like a lacing, and it holds a crack together when you cannot put a key or a bow tie one in enough to have strength in all ways and hold the crack also. Okay, talk to you later.